that promo with me, and now I'm here. It's like Inception. This is strange. Let's go ahead and take a radar tour. It's actually a satellite tour, and we'll get to the radar in a minute because there was quite a bit of active weather over the plains again last night. It's been 2 nights in a row, afternoons in a row, where things have just blown up. So here, not much. Hardly a cloud to be found, really. Just a little bit of cloud cover. But look at that. Where you're seeing these very bright colors, that's an indication of the higher cloud tops, the deeper convection, and likely the severe storm. So they've had these repeated rounds, these complexes of storms that have blown up and just pummeled the plain states the last couple of days. And there you can see the evidence of it. It's along an old stalled out frontal boundary that just runs right through the heartland of the United States and then curves over to this low over the Carolinas. This is what is left of the cool front that came through yesterday and set us up for such a beautiful day. Now, this boundary is going to more or less wash out, and we'll have this high setting up. It's over New England states now. It's going to kind of drift down toward the mid-Atlantic and set up off the East Coast and set us up pretty much the Mississippi River Valley up through the Great Lakes for a steamier, more summery feel to your storm tracker forecast. And eventually we will mix some shower and storm chances in. So, Max Track Live Doppler, nothing showing here. We've got that boundary south and west. For today, we'll go mostly sunny. We will start to see, as a front settles in and stalls to our north, active rounds of showers and thunderstorms tracking across Indiana and Ohio next couple of afternoons. And in fact, a few of those may try to graze our northern counties tomorrow and again Saturday. But I think the better chance will come in late in the weekend for active weather. And the big story, at least in the short term, next couple of days, is going to be this, the rise in the humidity. It's been so comfortable around here. This is a look at dew point. It's an indication of how muggy the air is. The higher the number, the stickier it is. And we're going from dew points in the 50s the last couple of days, and that's where we are now, into the 60s. And watch what happens as you get into your weekend. The southerly wind is pumping the heat and humidity in here. That's Friday afternoon, pushing a 70-degree dew point into the low 70s. This is where you notice it. It starts to just get sticky, uncomfortable, a little bit on the oppressive side as that humidity rises. And with that low-level moisture and daytime heating, we'll start to throw showers and storms into the mix as well. Watch out for some patchy, dense fog, far southeastern counties. We're talking the mountains. Down in Harlan, you're down to a mile visibility. We're fine here. Upper 50s and a beautiful morning. Sun's coming up. Winds out of the southeast, eventually becoming southerly later on today. So 50s and 60s to start. But look at the consistent heat. We were in the upper 70s yesterday. We're going to get into the low to mid 80s today. Mid to upper 80s tomorrow. Mugginess rising, just getting a very depth of summer feel to your storm tracker forecast. It'll be a little more suppressed temperature-wise as scattered showers and storms fire. And then next week, trying to peak not only in the upper 80s, maybe taking a couple of cracks at 90 degrees. So we got heat next week as well. Low to mid 80s, mostly sunny, warmer today. Low to mid 60s tonight, so not as cool, but still mostly clear. Tomorrow, mostly to partly sunny. There may be a stray shower or storm grazing our northern counties. Most of the action will stay over Ohio and Indiana. And guys, those late weekend storm chances give way to some big-time potential heat toward the middle of next week.
All right, so that beautiful stretch of weather we had.
Coming to an end.
Say goodbye to it today.
No.